Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss if-else control statement in Python. See, in our previous video, we have discussed only if. In this video, we will just discuss if-else control statement in Python. Okay. Now, before proceeding with program, I just want to tell you when to use if-else control statement. Okay. So, see, when to use if-else control statement is whenever you are dealing with two conditions, only two condition, and out of that only one is possible at a time. Whenever you are dealing with only two condition and out of that only one is possible at the same time, in such situation we can use if else control statement. Okay, so instead of discussing it theoretically, let us discuss this particular point with the help of one example. Okay, so here again I am going to define one variable. Okay, assigning value for that as 10. One more variable, I'm assigning value for that as 20. Okay, and then here I can use, so in front of if we have to write condition. So suppose again I am writing condition as n1 is less than n2. We know that after writing condition we have to give colon. Now see here, if n1 is less than n2, then n1 is smaller than n2. If this condition is true, then we can say that n1 is smaller than n2, and if this is false, then we can say that n2 is smaller than n1. Okay, now if we want to write a program to find smallest number when two numbers are given, then in that case we can use this particular if else control statement. Okay, now if this condition is true, then we can write n1 is small and n2. Okay, otherwise, see, if this condition is false, now if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. But if this condition is false, then this statement will not be executed. Okay, and if this condition is false, then its meaning is what? N1 is not smaller than N2, means what? N2 is smaller than N1. Okay, so in that case, if this condition is false, then if you want to display message like N2 is smaller than N1, then in that case here we can use else. Okay, and in the body of else we have to just print statement like n2 is smaller than n1. Okay, now what will happen after execution of this program? See, initially for n1 I have assigned value as 10, and then n2 I have assigned value as 20. So then control will come here. Now 10 is less than 20, yes, true. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed and this statement will be discarded. If this condition is false, then this statement will not be executed. Control will be directly transferred to else and this statement will be executed. Okay, so based on this condition, based on the result of this condition, it will just execute further statement. If this condition is true, then if will be executed, and if this is false, then else will be executed. Okay, so what is the output that we are expecting here? It must print this statement: n1 is smaller than n2. It will not print n2 is smaller than n1. Okay, so let me show you output. See here, we are getting output as n1 is smaller than n2. Okay, now if I change value, if I make value of n1 as 40, now in this case what will happen? 40 less than 20, this condition is false. If this condition is false, then this statement will not be executed. In such situation, statement that we are writing in else, that statement will be executed. Means in this case, it has to print like n2 is smaller than n1. So let us verify output. See here, now it is giving output as n2 is smaller than n1. Okay, so I hope that you are getting this point, how to use if else in Python. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.